As the gentle light of the morning sun softly touches your face, take a deep breath. And allow a sense of clarity and calm to wash over you. This is the beginning of a new day, a precious gift that should not be taken for granted. In the midst of the busyness that may lie ahead, remember to protect the tranquility of this moment, for it holds immense power. Embrace the stillness within you and recognize that each morning is an opportunity for renewal. Let go of yesterday's worries, regrets, and release any burdens that weigh upon your heart. Today is a fresh start, a blank canvas awaiting your brushstrokes of purpose and intention. As you set your intentions for the day, prioritize your well-being. Nourish your body with wholesome foods. Hydrate it with the elixir of life. Engage in activities that invigorate your spirit and nurture your soul. Find moments of quiet reflection to center your mind and let your inner voice guide you towards tranquility. In the midst of your endeavors, remember to cultivate gratitude. Take a moment to appreciate the simple joys that surround you, the beauty of nature, the warmth of a loved one's embrace, the laughter that fills the air. Embrace all the abundance life has to offer. May your morning meditation now infuse your being with serenity and clarity. May it empower you to embrace the day with an open heart, a calm mind, and a spirit filled with gratitude.